Bonjour and welcome to French My Way. In today's video, we're going to learn about ER verbs. ER verbs are the easiest and the largest group of verbs in French. And this is one topic you're going to hear very soon in your language learning journey. Now, how do you recognize if the verb is an ER verb? It's very simple. You look at the last two letters of the verb, and if they are ending in ER, then the verb is an ER verb. How do you conjugate an ER verb? Very simple. You remove the ER from the verb and you create what we call in French a radical, or a base or a root or a stem, and then you add the endings E, ES, E, E, ONS, EZ, ENT, ENT. Are you scratching your head? Are you feeling confused? Don't worry, we'll practically learn how to do it together. But before we jump to doing the conjugation, I want to make sure that you know the topic of subject pronouns or les pronoms sujets in French. If not, please check my previous video. The link is in the description box. All right, now let's practically learn how to conjugate the verb. Very simple. Rule number one, let's take the universal favorite verb, parler, which means to speak. Now, to the verb parler, if you see the last two letters are ER, so it's an ER verb. What are we going to do now? Step one, remove the ER. Once we remove the ER, we have a radical or a base, which is PARL. Now, to this base, we are going to add the endings. Let's see how. Je parle. We are going to add an E. Tu parles. ES. Il parle. We are adding an E. Elle parle. Adding an E. Nous parlons. Adding an ONS. Vous parlez. Adding an EZ. Il parle. Adding an ENT. Elle parle. Adding an ENT. So now you see what are the endings we've added? E, ES, E, E, ONS, EZ, ENT, ENT. I hope it's very clear. In the same way, you can conjugate all the ER verbs. Let's do the pronunciation one more time. Since it's the first time we are learning how to do the ER verb, remember, the pronunciation does not change much except for nous and vous. So please repeat after me. Répétez après moi. Parler. Je parle. Tu parles. Il parle. Elle parle. Nous parlons. Vous parlez. Il parle. Elle parle. I hope this video has helped you to learn the ER verbs. Follow more for such simple videos. Till then, au revoir et bonne journée.